I live in the middle of nowhere, like in the woods, and I go on walks there every morning. One particular morning, it was very foggy. However, this didn't stop me from taking my morning walk. After a couple minutes, I saw something crossing the path. I'm not sure what it was, because it was too foggy. It was too tall for an animal, so I just shrugged it off as my mind playing tricks on me. Then after a couple more minutes, I saw it again, but this time it was just standing in the fog, just standing totally still. I shouted, "Hello?" But it just stood still. I got really freaked out, so I ran home. The next day it was still very foggy. As I was walking, I saw it again. It was standing in the middle of the path like last time. I yelled, "Who are you?" But instead of standing still, it took a few steps closer. I ran home yet again. That night I was lying in bed trying to fall asleep, but images of that apparition kept creeping into my head. After I finally did manage to fall asleep, I heard someone calling my name. After a while I went downstairs, and there he was, standing in the middle of my kitchen. I ran out of my house, got in my car, and spent the night at my friend Rich and Catherine's house. Around 5 in the afternoon the next day, Rich and I returned to my house. I was telling him about the incidents, but he didn't believe me. However, he did help me set up a motion-activated camera outside of my house. I spent the night at Rich's again, but the next morning I returned to fetch the footage. As I thought, there was some footage of the figure. In the footage, he was circling around the house, as if looking for me. The footage faded to static, and then his face was really close to the camera. Footage then faded to static again. I showed Rich the footage. He believed me about the incidents and said that I could stay for as long as I needed. About a month later, I finally got my own apartment, and I haven't seen the figure since.